All right, so I'm recording that. Okay, so the first thing is I'm just going to set these materials back to default. Oopsies, wrong button, wrong button. Assign default, there we go. Is because your normal map is a texture, you need to have textured turned on. So first things first, because before a lot of you are like, I can't get it. When I say a lot of you, I mean like students in general are like, it's not working. That's because this little beautiful circle up here was not highlighted. Highlight this bad boy.
You mean the textured highlighter?
The textured one, it needs to be highlighted.
Oh, that makes my cube look weird.
So that needs to be highlighted. That means that any textured information, because a normal map is a texture, will then be displayed on the model. If it is not turned on, nothing will be displayed. So nothing happens. All right, step 2. Make sure that your stuff is from modeling to rendering, because lighting is rendering. Step 3, you want your objects to be in the same space. I don't think this will do anything. It did something. Oh, heck yes. They are in the same space. Woo! So now we have our low poly and our high poly. Was that step 2 or step 3? Step 3, right? Same space. Step 4 is just double check that your UV map is unwrapped for your low poly model. I don't give a shit about your high poly, but your low poly model needs to be UV unwrapped. If it is not, when you put on and apply the texture will be warped and weird. Okay? So it needs to be at least minimum default UV unwrap. Please unfold it. If you create a default cube, you don't need to, but if it's like a modeled object, you have to. Like, for example, if we were to duplicate one of our tombstones, make a really crazily detailed tombstone of the same type, and then we were to bake like cracks and all that onto the low poly one with like lighting, your low poly needs to be UV unwrapped. Yeah. All right, we can then select our low poly object. Go into lighting, shading, transfer maps. Once you select this, it will automatically attach the low poly model into your target. Your target is your low poly model. Your low poly model is the one with less faces and less detail. That is the one that we want to apply stuff to. We then grab our high poly model. Transfer maps is in lighting. Yeah, it's under baking. Yep. So target is our low poly. Source is going to be our high poly. So we've selected our high poly. We can then say add selected because it's the one that's selected. That is our high poly model. That is the model that has all the detail, the more faces. That's the one where we want to take the lighting information from this and apply it to the target. We want to check our envelope just covers our shape. Just covers everything. We don't want to see any gray. We want to see pink, but we don't want big box because the lighting will go weird. So we want to just set it up where it just covers everything. Oh, see, I'm poking out. Poking out. That'll do. All right. From there, we want normal because this is a normal map. Our lighting information is our normal map. It's going to be a PNG and you're going to choose it to go somewhere. From there, we have different options. You can mess around with them and see what they do. But for the moment, I'm just going to keep it as default. We're creating a new shader. You can choose this to be a lower quality thing or a higher quality thing. I don't mind. I might bring mine down a little bit. Usually by default, that's low 2x2. That's normally the first one you want. I'm just going to keep it on that. And I'm just doing inside envelope only, but you can say closest to envelope, I think is the default, and you've got different normal information. And then I'm going to hit bake and close. So those can kind of be either, but you can mess around with it because it does come up with different options because there's different ways of like calculating the lighting and how it's bouncing off and stuff like that. So there are different algorithms within it, but you do need angles for the light to bounce off of. Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter?
Shouldn't matter.
Shouldn't.
All right, once that has baked, you should be able to compare the two side by side. You should be able to see your information. And once everyone successfully has that, we'll do the next step. So I'm going to stop the recording here, just so that I can put this small little piece up. Stop recording.